Ever wondered how websites collect and handle your data? That's a question that often pops up when browsing the internet. Today we're going to demystify that by diving into the world of HTML forms. HTML forms are the backbone of data collection on the web. They're built using a variety of HTML form elements, such as and. These elements work together to create interactive forms that users can fill out and submit. But how do these forms work? It's all about the form attributes. Attributes like and dictate where the form data goes, how it's sent, and what it's called. For example, the attribute specifies the URL to which the form data is sent, while the attribute determines whether the data is sent as a or request. Creating a web form is a hands-on process. You'll need to experiment with various input types, such as text fields, radio buttons, and checkboxes. And to make sure users are filling out the form correctly, you'll also need to understand form validation attributes like and. Now, let's switch gears. Have you ever wondered how web pages are structured? The answer lies in HTML's content structuring elements. Headings are a key part of this. From two, headings provide a semantic structure to your content, helping both users and search engines understand your page's content. But headings aren't the only way to structure content. The humble paragraph created using the element is a fundamental building block of web content, and lists, created using for unordered lists, for ordered lists, and for definition lists, allow for more complex content structures. Creating a web page that combines these elements effectively is an art, but with practice, you'll soon be able to structure your content in a way that's both visually appealing and semantically meaningful. So, what have we learned today? HTML forms are the key to data collection on the web, using a variety of form elements and attributes. And structuring content effectively requires a combination of headings, paragraphs, and lists. Remember, the best way to cement these concepts is through practice. Write code, experiment with different form elements and content structures, and see what works best for you. The world of HTML is vast and exciting, and you're just beginning to explore it.